Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video which I am going to show you of how to save a connection while submitting a proposal in Upwork. So let me give you idea how we can save the connection, because some of client is not choosing a particular freelancer on Upwork, or how we can choose to even client as well. Like, let me give you idea how we can choose a better client and we can close the better project as well. So let me give you idea how we can save connection, because right now connection is connection to be purchased with some certain amount from the Upwork as well. So let me give you idea. Here is a one of job just I recently have seen in feed. So here is the client is looking for city of for app project. So let me give you idea. Here first you can see high rate is 76, is really good. Like we can say it's above 75% high rate is good. Even you can see job posted, and what's it higher 84 highs as well, and he spent a really good amount of budget as well, and he has sent really good amount. So, and hourly basis you can see hourly rate paid, what he has hourly paid in previous jobs. That's really good as well. Let me give you more idea about like what client is looking for particular location. So here is he's already defined, like these are the countries client is looking for the freelancer. So definitely if you are not eligible, so I prefer don't submit, don't waste your connection on this job. If location is like there is no location defined, and even after that you can see client recent history as well. So let me give you idea, like if you have seen, so here like I am from India. So let me give you like how, like which country client is choosing the freelancer mostly. So you can see here, so like here I'm able to see already completed client history, what he has hired. So you can see here is 2 freelancer. Here is you can see freelancer already. So let me switch to some freelancer. So here I am just see, here you can see some other country as well. So let me give another freelancer, what the previous. So here is Ukraine. So let me see one more other. So here I'm able to get idea. The client is not choosing particular country, for is not choosing an Indian freelancer. So here I can get more idea that so better to submit a proposal on this job, because 6 proposal right now required is 6 proposal. Even if I will submit this proposal, so it really a less chance to win a proposal for this job, because client is high, because in this case client high rate is good, client has spent a really good amount, also client has paying a really good amount of hourly basis as well. But the client is only choosing some other country, particular country. So in that case I can get decision. Yeah, the client is not choosing any Indian freelancer until this job history. I can get idea with that job history. So here in progress job also we can see here is not hired any Indian freelancer. So this is really, you can see here FIMC. So this is something Kenya or something like that. So here I can get idea that client is only interested in other country, not in India. So these are the way you can save their connection. First one is high rate, what's budget is there, and previous hire, like what type of countries client is more interested to choose independent freelancer. So thank you guys, this is my first video. If you really like this and if it's really helpful for you, then you can like and subscribe and to share in your circle. So it's really good help to other people, can save connection as well. Thanks.